Welcome to a brand new episode of Off the Streets. I don't know what this little house is for.
Oh, there we go.
Wait, what is this?
It's the GoPro buggy, the official GoPro buggy. Gonna take it around the lap in the track. Try not to crash it.
I don't. The thing is, I don't have a choice.
What you got?
45.17.
So he's going easier. How do you choose a gear for an event like this?
Guess.
You can't tell how fast people are going to ride. So.
Yeah, not really. I don't know. Like, you just put on like kind of. You see what you have, and you go, that one. It's not going to be fast.
I can't get this fucking thing off now. Wait a minute, what am I doing? Do you see how fucked I am? I can't even do my wheel up. Oh, that's the first time in years I've got that wrong. Literally righty tighty, lefty loosey. Everyone knows this. This is messed up, man. This is a showcase of how today's gonna go.
No one saw, and there was no cameras on you.
We've got a full day event today, which is pretty exciting. We've got 8 men's fixed riders, 8 women's fixed riders, and we were meant to have 8 wheelie riders, but 2 of them, their car broke down, and another one, I don't even know. So we've got some exciting racing. We've got a first-person view drone. We've got a live stream. Obviously, it's not going to be live now, but like you can catch up on that. That was just Edgar's lap. We've got Georg. He's coming, another Georg, and I just need to ring basically the guy driving the go-kart. Just going to ring him and tell him, look at this. This is magic. Yes, boss. All right, roll away, roll away. Georg sails on his wheel now. I've always folded his numbers. He's going to get UCI banned for that. Basically, we've got a qualification now where they're following the go-kart. So I've just realised I'm actually speaking to the guy in the go-kart. Sorry, I forgot I was on the phone to you. So I'm going to hang up now because he's going. So basically and then when the rider comes around this time, I'm going to do him a little alarm, and he's going to do his hot lap.
Thought you knew, tell me where was you. We've been looking at the bottom, now we out here.
I reckon it felt alright though, but it's like building up that confidence, isn't it?
Well, I lost the back wheel breaking into this corner, and it really messed me up on the exit. I like skidded here, like, whoa, we didn't expect that, okay.
Has it course dried off now? Because in your warm-up you were saying it's a bit slippery.
Still wet, wasn't it? There was like patches and puddles. I was like, I don't know about this, man. Like right on the exit line where you wanted to be, or like the apex.
This was like
the apex of like setting it up perfectly for that one. I was like, that's the one line I had here. It's gone.
43.25. Oh, motherfucker, I came 4th.
That picture was so confusing.
It's your lap time and then the number.
Yeah, I know, and then you had to do maths to work out what number. Yeah, so I came.
So what's the conclusion here? You came 4th. No one else knows.
Going into the last straights right now, looking back. Hayden's giving it a go, he's trying to get the saddle.
That's another 100 viewers.
Yes! Mate, you see when you wanted to warm up?
I was trying to put you under pressure, I was trying to think I'd get him, and I was like, I don't know how to slow down. Oh, right.
Everyone's pushing it today. I think the track's a little greasy as well. So, the feds are turned up.
This is when that rocky music plays in the background.
Can I take my bike from here?
man. Oh, savage.
Alright, mate.
You okay?
Yeah. Just either in or out, and I'm out. That's alright. Yeah, this is on GoPro, that's a good point.
Full send, man.
Go racing.
Bro, just think of it, at least you got the GoPro footage.
This is it.
You might be able to 180 it. How'd you do that spinny thing that they do?
That is exactly it.
I'm second from last.
Yeah.
Nah, fuck it.
Kamal didn't beat me, did he?
Nah, you didn't beat you, but you have to go to number 4.
They haven't got front wheels on their bikes.
Jake's
Jake, was this your idea?
But make sure Jake gives me a shout out this time, because I didn't get it.
Shout out Georg Jensen for being the man behind the scenes that no one sees but is making everything happen. Like, if it weren't for him, we wouldn't be here right now. We wouldn't be racing without a front wheel, I'm just saying. But yeah, basically, with the qualification times earlier, where we was doing the time trials to get the fastest lap, that's basically positioned us in the grid for the no front wheel race. The no front wheel race is an elimination race, so after each lap, the last person round each lap is out. If you drop the wheel, well, there's not really a wheel to drop. If you drop the forks and you go onto the floor and you put your feet down, you're out too. Me and RJ tied first. Me being the nice guy, let RJ take position 1 in the grid. We got Trad third, Little Harry fourth, and then Kamal somewhere down the back over there. Just trying to fucking.
I need a zoom lens for that.
How's the weather over there? Is it alright?
Can you hear me?
One question, is doing a wheelie without a front wheel harder than doing a wheelie normally?
Once you know how to wheelie, it's then easier because it's lighter. There's no wheel, like when you're doing a normal wheelie, the wheel's spinning, and then once that wheel stops, you feel a lot more off balance, so you don't have that centrifugal force. There's a change in that, innit, when you have a wheel. Without a wheel, it's a lot lighter, you can go for a lot longer. Obviously, you're also kind of forced to keep the wheelie going because you're going to have a lot of fun. But yeah, so once you can wheelie, it is actually easier. Yeah.
How many pairs of forks have you got through?
Oh my god. Shooting for the recent project, I'm shooting for the circus. I snapped 2 pairs of forks for the circus stuff, and this one is pretty fucked now, to be honest. But that's.
Do you know what you're doing?
No, man, I've forgotten.
It's qualified.
1, go!
And I be going hard like I'm balling. Ain't no need for poker face. Let you know I'm all in,
Every single lap, just get further away.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, he was ducking. From the first, it took you a minute to do first lap with him.
A minute?
1 minute.
That's pretty quick. With a wheel on,
rapid.
I'm doing 50 seconds.
That's rapid.
2, 1, go. You know what you're doing, yeah? Yeah. None of the crashing business today. Yeah? But you know what you're doing? Yeah. If you crash, make sure you get it on GoPro, because obviously we need to get the GoPro shots. I'm not gonna lie, that was the sickest race. Like that was fully. I mean, I know you probably pissed it, but like,
I don't mind, man.
That was sick.
It's fun, isn't it? I was happy to just let him run it out. Yeah, man, it was really weird. It's pretty baffled. I was like, oh shit, that's a shame. I was like, I thought I might catch you guys back. I think I had one more lap on to like try and move, but it's just. Nah.
I was like, if it wasn't elimination, do you reckon you would have caught him back up by the end of the race?
I was on him by the finish line. I just like need another lap or need half a lap and it'd been alright. But yeah, just fucked it. It's a shame. I watched racing. Well, nice.
Cheers, man.
Right. Started first.
Yeah, you are smashing. Honestly, we were just stood all of us stood at the side like, oh my god, anything could happen. Anything could happen, but anything could happen.
What it looked like was that your back wheel was caught and,
Yeah.
and I guess you couldn't, because you were going around.
Haley kind of went down half in front of me.
Oh, okay.
And then I couldn't go to the right of her.
There's someone there.
So I didn't really have anywhere else to go other than just. I thought I'd try and do what that guy did before, where he just kind of like somersaulted and then got straight back up, but that didn't work.
Is this just precautionary? The sling.
I don't know. Hopefully.
So I had to run off quickly. I missed the prize presentation of the race. If you're interested in knowing the results, I'll put a link down below if I can find them. Awesome grassroots racing event run by Georg, Matt and Jake. The whole world's going through a pretty tough time at the minute, so being able to go to events and see events like that, even if it's just on a live stream, is really important. So if you can, support your local racing scene. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.